Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the bones that make up the tarsal bones of the foot. Each of the feet have 7 tarsal bones. The tarsal bones are the bones of the foot minus the metatarsals and the phalanges. The first of these tarsal bones is the talus bone. The talus bone is located in the posterior and superior portion of the foot and is the bone that connects the foot to the leg bones. Underneath this bone is the calcaneus bone. The calcaneus is the largest of the tarsal bones. It is also known as the heel bone as it forms the heel of the foot. Distal to the calcaneus bone is the cuboid bone. The cuboid bone is cube-like in shape and forms an important part of the lateral side of the foot. Distal to the talus bone is the navicular bone. The navicular bone is wedge-like in shape and found in the midfoot region of the foot. Distal to the navicular bone and medial to the cuboid bone are the 3 cuneiform bones. The cuneiform bones are 3 wedge-shaped bones found on the medial side of the midfoot region of the foot. The most medial of these bones is the medial cuneiform bone. The most lateral is the lateral cuneiform bone, and in between them is the intermediate cuneiform bone. If you want to learn more about any of these bones, detailed videos on each bone can be found on my channel.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.